All right, students, today we're going to show you how to calculate the measure the variability for interval ratio level data. And we're going to use the variable edu, which is education. Education is an interval ratio level variable. Unlike degree, so degree is an ordinal level variable because it uses like graduate, bachelor's, associates, high school, less than high school, and so on and so forth. Edu actually looks at the number of years you actually spent at school. So we're going to look at the variable edu, and we're going to calculate the measure of the variability, and we're also going to create a box plot here. So what we need to do first is, I know that the variable edu has some missing cases. And the reason why I know that the variable edu has some missing cases is because I'm looking right at this. So this is 99. Nobody spent 99 years in school. So 99 is a missing value. And so what I would do is I would open up the code book, and I see that the numbers 97, 98, and 99 are all missing values. Only one person said that they don't know. It's only one person said, we have coded as 98, and only one person said no answer. So we have one person coded 99. I don't have to worry about 97. So what I'm going to do in order to get rid of these two cases so that they're cut out of the analysis is I'm going to come over, I'm going to find edu, I'm going to highlight it, then I'm going to press Control F. Now, what it's going to allow me to do is going to allow me to replace those. So instead of having 98, I'm going to replace 98. I'm going to replace it with nothing. So I'm just going to have nothing there. And then I'm going to take 99, and I'm also going to replace it with nothing. So they made the replacement so that 99 that we saw earlier is gone. Now what I need to do is I need to come over to Data, and I need to click this Data Analysis tab. And I'm going to click on Descriptive Statistics. Press OK. And now that I have this, I need to give it my input range. So I'm going to click here. And then I'm going to copy everything except for the cell edu, because that's just a word. It's not actual numbers. I don't want that in the analysis. Scroll down here and get all the cases. All 1,500. So I got all 1,500 people, and I'm going to input them. I'm going to create the descriptive statistics on a new worksheet, and I want the summary statistics. So I'm going to press here, I'm going to press OK. All right, now it provided me, so this is the descriptive statistics for the variable edu. Okay, so I know that the mean is 13.71. That's mean years of schooling. The median is 14, the mode is 12. It provides me the standard deviation. So the standard deviation is 3.03. The variance is 9.23. The range is 20, so the absolute minimum is 0 years of schooling. I don't know who went to school for 0 years. And the absolute maximum was 20 years of schooling. Or at least the General Social Survey coded it so that the maximum would be 20 years of schooling. Okay, so that's how you go about calculating the measures of variability. Obviously, you can tell based on the standard deviation and then the mean, there's a little bit of, variation away from the mean here. Now, what you can also do here is you can also create a box plot. Now, how do we go about creating a box plot? We need to take this data again, and then we need to copy it. So we need to find the variable edu again, and then copy all these respondents. I'm going to put all these respondents here. And now that I have all of these respondents here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to Insert, okay, and then I'm going to come over here to Recommended Charts, go to All Charts, and I'm going to put Box and Whisker, and I'm going to press OK. Okay, so now I have my chart, which is a box plot for the variable edu. So label my box plot, education in years. And then here I could do whatever I want. So I know that the maximum is 20, right? Minimum is 0. The median is what again? 14. So what I can also do here is I can come over here to the design section. I can alter the chart a little bit, make it look a little bit prettier, but I can also add chart elements. So for example, I can add the data labels. I can have it off to the left, tell me the maximum, the minimum value, the median. Here we have the mean here as well. So this is how you go about creating a box plot in Excel.